Once you have logged on to your account, this is the opening screen. In order to create your personal profile, go to the menu on the left and click Personal Profile. Here you can select your gender, enter your name, your birth date, your preferred language, and the language that you speak. You can also enter a freely written text about yourself and the services you offer and your experience, as well as entering all of your contact information, which we will require. We also ask that you upload proof of identity, for example, a passport copy, ID copy, driver's license, and a guiding certificate or license if that is required in the country where you are a guide. Once you have done so, you simply click Update Profile and all of the details will be saved. Please note that you can click Update Profile at any time. It will save what you have already entered, and you can come back to it if you want to add more things later. Please be aware that we do not allow the entering of contact details in your About Me text. Once you have done your essential basic personal information, you can also change your profile picture, which is also a requirement that you have one, and then you can enter your bank information. Please make sure that before you go to bank information, you have clicked Update Profile at the bottom of the screen. Otherwise, the information will be lost. Once you click bank information, you get the basic bank information that you need to enter: your account name, account number, SWIFT or BIC code, bank name, and bank address. If you do not know what your SWIFT and BIC code is, please contact your local bank. They should be able to provide you with that information. Once you have entered the details, once again, click Update Bank Information to save what you have entered.